Hi everyone, and welcome to the course Integrating Appium into a DevOps Pipeline. My name is Marcel de Vries and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Expert in the Netherlands. This course shows developers and testers how to add their Appium automation tests to their DevOps pipelines. In this course you'll learn to integrate Appium tests into your DevOps toolchain of choice. We start by exploring what is commonly known as a DevOps pipeline. We look at what UI tests can bring to the table in the delivery flow and where we can best add UI test automation integration in the DevOps pipeline. After understanding the need and place in the pipeline, we will take it further into the actual details of how to make this work. You will discover how to integrate Appium in the DevOps tools Jenkins, Azure DevOps and GitHub Actions. When you finish this course, you are able to integrate your Appium-based UI automation tests in your DevOps toolchain of choice and use the results of your tests as a quality gate to release to production and provide evidence for many compliance frameworks. I hope you will join me on a learning journey with the course Integrating Appium into a DevOps Pipeline here at Pluralsight.